Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nizar Ibnu Zaki. I am a student from Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta, Indonesia. Here I will present the result of my research regarding digital literacy management as an interest in reading for class 2A students at Sondakan Elementary School in the city of Surakarta. Okay, let's get started with this presentation. I want to share screen. So my title of my research is Digital Literacy Management as a reading interest for Class 2A students at Sondakan Elementary School. This is my name, Muhammadiyah, Zaki, and my ID from University A510210-129. Next slide. Next slide is abstract. This research is included in the type of qualitative research. Data collection techniques used by researchers are interviews, observation, and documentation. Data analysis techniques include data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusions. The implementation of digital literacy can increase and develop students' interest in reading. Digital literacy management is carried out by class 2A teachers by implementing classroom learning. Class learning is usually provided through videos, quiz, and others. Next slide is introduction. I have 3 points in introduction reviewed from expert opinion. Number 1 is management according to Schermerhorn is the overall process of organizational activities starting from planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the use of resources to achieve goals from Jeffrey 2017. Number 2 is digital literacy can be interpreted as an attitude, interest, and ability of individuals or society in using technology and utilizing the internet through access, management, integration, analysis, and evaluation of information in order to put new knowledge from Potter 2019. Number 3, based on the results of observations made by research at Sondakan Elementary School, there are several students who are still lacking in reading, especially interest in reading. They tend to be more active in playing in class and outside the classroom or around school. Students also feel that the learning carried out by teachers in class makes them bored in learning. Next slide is research method. I have, in this research, I use qualitative research methods. I have 3 points in qualitative research methods. Number 1 is research design. Number 2 is data collection technique. Number 3 is data analysis. This type of research is qualitative research with in-depth interview techniques. So I use interview with teachers, principal, and students. Number two is data collection techniques. I have a three: observation, interviews, and documentation. The data analysis techniques used in this research is interactive analysis. Interactive analysis consists of four components. Number one is data collection, number two, data reduction, and then data presentation and drawing conclusion. Next slide is result and discussion. I have two big points in this slide, in this result and discussion. Number one is results. According to observation, the facilities available in this class are very helpful in implementing digital literacy activities. With digital facilities, digital literacy can be implemented well. Digital technology in the computer laboratory is not just a computer, but a Chromebook, which is a learning facility and infrastructure for students. You can see in the picture listed. Page number 1, computer laboratorium, and page number 2 is class 2A condition. According to interviews, based on interviews with the principal and class teachers, the results show that Sondakan Elementary School has digital facilities. They are capable and in accordance with learning needs. One of them is Class 2A, which has LCD projector facilities. LCD projectors are used for daily learning. Digital literacy in elementary schools is realized through daily learning activities using various technological devices. The principal explained that almost all teachers use digital technology as a means and infrastructure for learning with their students. According to documentation, based on the documentation carried out, the result can be taken that students use digital facilities such as computer labs as learning activities, extracurricular activities, and also ENPK activities. You can see in the picture listed page 5 use of computer lab student. Page 6 student use of Chromebook, and then page 7 learning in class 2A. I have a discussion. The big point of number 2, the digital literacy management implemented by class 2A teachers at Sondakan Elementary School is able to involve students in their learning activities. Digital literacy management carried out by class 2A teachers by implementing lessons in class. Classroom learning is usually provided through videos, quiz, and others. The digital literacy carried out also adapts to students' needs. One way is to use an LCD projector as an icebreaker projector before learning begins. Digital literacy carried out in Sondakan State Elementary Schools as an effort to develop and increase students' interest in reading as follows: use of computer lab, using cell phones as learning, use of LCD projector as a learning facility, and then use of digital application such as quizzes, word wall, Canva, and another. Regarding the reading interest skills, each class must have a reading target to determine the extent to which students have mastered reading skills. The implementation of digital literacy management has a big influence on student reading interests. The next slide is conclusion. The digital literacy management implemented at Sonakan Elementary School, located in the city of Surakarta, is able to develop and increase students' reading interest abilities. Learning is carried out using digital technology tools such as LCDs and projectors, computer labs, cell phones, Chromebooks, laptops, and others. As a means of teaching with students, the digital literacy activities are very popular with students, especially class 2A. They feel that digital literacy-based learning can develop interest in reading and increase enthusiasm for listening. And this is my reference uh, from my study to this research. And that is the presentation of the results of the research I have carried out related to digital literacy management as an interest in reading for class 2A student at Sodakan Elementary School, which is located in the city of Surakarta, Central Java. If there are any wrong words in my presentation, I apologize profusely. Final words, thank you and see you in the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.